Hi everybody and welcome back to my channel. It is your girl Brittany with another episode of Beyond Beauty Makeup. Today we are trying our best here. I am trying my best to accomplish this new trend, which is something that I like, and it's the monochromatic look. So we're talking one color of everything, one color brows, one color eyeshadow, liner, lipstick, lip gloss, blush, you name it. Anything that has to do with color is going to be one color today. And so I'm going to get right into it in the tutorial to show you guys exactly how I achieved this monochromatic look. But first, I want you guys to take your time. Seriously, on a serious note, you guys, all of what's going on in the world, everything is so important right now, and everything is very problematic in the world. So in order to alleviate the worries right now, I need you to go ahead and hit that subscribe button right down below, and also go ahead and like the video. If you like it, give it a big thumbs up. If you want to be up on and you want to upgrade your life, upgrade your video game, go ahead and hit that notification bell so that you're aware of all of my up and coming videos. Now, without further ado, I want you guys to get into this monochromatic realness. Check the highlight out, check the lip gloss. I got some good news coming your way soon regarding both of those, but until then, I want you guys to check out this video. I know this was a long intro, but I love you guys and I'm gonna keep it pushing. Let's go. Okay, first things first is I'm using this generic primer that I got from Forever 21, which is a silicone base mixed with my Benefit Porefessional makeup primer, and I'm putting that all over my face, especially on my cheek area because I have enlarged pores there, and I want to make sure that my skin is even for my foundation. So I'm putting that all over my face using the blending brush from Clinique. Next, I'm using, I forget, it's Ginger from Clinique. It's the Color Perfecting Foundation. Using this all over my face. And just blending this out with the same brush. I'm using that blending brush from Real Techniques as well. Just getting all over my face and under the eyes, on the forehead, and on the cheeks. Just making sure that I get a good blend and that it's even all over my face. Next is going to be my LA Girl concealer. This is the color Almond, and I'm using it's actually an eyeshadow brush from Wet n Wild. It was $1 from Dollar Tree, and you want to go ahead and just blend that on the forehead, on the tip of the nose, just to act as a highlight, and under the eyes, of course, and the chin area, blending that out as well. So right now I'm just pretty much doing my basic makeup routine. Now this is something new. I normally don't use this, but this is the Beauty Revolution banana powder. Okay, where have I been? This is so bomb. I actually prefer it to the Sacha Buttercup. It doesn't give any flashback, which I like. Now I'm going ahead on the eyes, and I'm doing just the LA Girl concealer as well, using it as primer, blending this all over my eye, and just taking this little paddle brush and just blending it out on the eyes. Just want to try something new. Taking that banana powder again, using a concealer brush, and I'm just going over the concealer on my eyes to set it before I put my eyeshadow on. Now this color here is a pretty salmon color that I got from Morphe. It's my Morphe 32B palette, and this is like a really pretty salmon color, and I chose to go monochromatic with this color. So I'm applying it all over my eyes, and I'm blending it, actually, if you could see, on the inner part of the eye, and I'm even going to go on the outskirts of the eye, but I'm not going to go under the brow bone intentionally. I'm not going to do that. Now I'm going a little lighter. So this is also in the same color family, but it's a color a little lighter, and I'm going to take that lighter color, and this one's like almost, it's a little bit more on the orange side, like a tangerine, but it's a pastel, and I'm blending that right underneath my brows, so right on the brow bone. And this is just going to create a gradient effect to the eye look. So you're going to go one color all over the lid, on the inner corner of the lid, and then you're going to go a lighter shade on the brow bone. And now I'm taking that same color that I put all over the lid on my eyebrow. So I'm just filling in my brows with this color, and this is when things get tricky. You're going to feel a little silly putting color on your brow if you're not used to avant-garde looks, but just keep going with it and it'll start to make sense to you soon enough. And now I'm going a shade deeper. So as we're on the brow bone, I went lighter. I'm going a shade deeper than the salmon color and going over the brows with that color as well. And this of course is going to create a little bit more depth of color so that it looks a little darker, because of course my brow hairs are darker and they're going to need a darker shade. Now I'm going over the entire lid with this iridescent color, and this color is that same exact salmon color in the 32B palette. It's either 32 or 35. Sorry about that, I'll correct it in the description box, but I'm going all over the lid with this, and it's just creating that iridescence, which is going to give a little bit of texture since we're going one color. And now I'm underlining my eyes with it. Now I'm going with that red color, and I'm going to go and I'm going to line my top lid with that color, just of course to continue to create depth of color as well as dimension. Since we are going in one color family, we want to make sure that we have at least some form of texture and gradients. And then I thought to myself to just go over that brow with that same reddish color as well. And this of course is just going to intensify the brow, just because for me I am used to a more deeper color brow, and so I decided to go darker with that as well. Highlight, going ahead and putting this really pretty highlight on my cheeks. Now I'm going to take that same salmon color and use it as blush. I popped some lashes on if you didn't notice, and I'm continuing with the blush, but now I'm going to actually contour my entire face using that same salmon color blush. So I'm going on the forehead, I'm going on the cheekbone, I'm going even on the chin, and everywhere that I would go with my contour. To lippies, this is also a mysterious lippy that I'll be telling you guys about soon enough, but this is also a really pretty pinky salmon coral, as we call it, lip color, and I'm just putting that right over, and it's a little glossy, and it's like a liquid lipstick, but it's more on the glossy side, and this is the look. Go ahead, like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys all for watching so very much. I love you guys all, and be sure to check out some of my other videos that I have on my channel. Until next time, bye. Yeah, so I was trying to do this this scarf. I don't know if you guys noticed the scarf, but this was my attempt at the French maid. I don't know if you guys remember the portrait, but she's like